All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and this is a holiday buying guide for your wives. All right, so in case you can't get the subject of the video, we're going to be talking about tools I recommend for your spouse to buy you for Christmas. Affiliate links for some of this stuff will be down in a pinned comment. None of the Milwaukee stuff, I don't have any affiliate links to Milwaukee. Yes, they are a sponsor, but I don't have any affiliates other than Amazon, and I want y'all to have warranty, so buy it at Home Depot, buy it from one of the authorized Milwaukee distributors. So let's get into it. Obviously, you need to send this to your wife or significant other so she knows what to buy you for Christmas. All right, so first off, we're going to talk Astronomic. The Astronomic 52SL light. You know, light. It is really handy. It's magnetic. And as you can see over there, the charging pad will charge 2 of these. I've used the snot out of it the last couple days under a dash. It is a great light. All right, next up on Astronomic, we're going to talk the Nano Sockets. Now these were not available last time I checked on Amazon, but the really short sockets in 3/8 and 1/2 inch metric are awesome. I will put part numbers in that pinned comment so you can Google search, but these are awesome low profile sockets. They come in really, really handy. I'm not going to bring it out because it's heavy and it's bulky. The Astronomic wheel bearing press kit is a deal and a half for the cost. I will, again, link it down below. It is just phenomenal for the cost. I mean, you could probably recycle it for close to what it costs because it's that much steel in it. Some great products from Astronomic. Let's talk Mueller cups. Mueller cups, brake bleeder wrench set. It comes in this nice little drawer organizer. It's for bleeding brakes. They're flare nut wrenches with a swivel. And let me tell you, these come in really handy for bleeding brakes, ABS modules especially because of, well, that. Come in really handy. No part number on it, but I will try to include it. Now this one is labeled Matco, but this is a Mueller Cups product. The scrapers. The long ones and the short ones are phenomenal. They're an authorized copy of the Super Scraper with, in my opinion, a much better handle. It gets some use. It's still got dirt on it. Probably should have cleaned that before I put it up, but I didn't. So, phenomenal scrapers. I love them to death. I use them all the time. My original set is still just as sharp as they were. Awesome. All right, next up, another light, and that is the Olight Seeker 2. This is my favorite flashlight, period, end of story. It lasts for days. Days. This isn't, when I literally say days, I mean multiple days, 4 or 5 days. And I use this a lot on level 3, I think. I don't charge this. I have 2 of them, luckily for me, but literally I take it off of my holster, I put it on my roll cart over there, go home. It uses a magnetic charger, which is really nice. These are awesome lights. I can't say enough good things about these lights. I'm sorry, but everything's going on outside, so if there's a little noise, I'm sorry. I try to avoid it, but it's like every time I talk, something's going on outside, so sorry. All right, next, we're going to talk Milwaukee. Now, Milwaukee's had some really good tools, really great tools, and, well, we're just going to say it. I love Milwaukee. I'm going to say it. I love Milwaukee. Now, some of my go-to tools of late is still my 1/4 inch extended reach. My 3/8 extended reach ratchets, use these constantly. I mean, just constantly. they're interested, the high-speed ratchets are also really good, just lower torque. If you're going to get somebody into the Milwaukee ratchet system, I would go with the extended reach first over the high-speed because more torque. But they are awesome. All right, next up, the Milwaukee new model mid-torque. This thing is a beast. I almost never touch my high torque anymore. I mean, literally, the only time in recent memory where I've broken out the high torque is when somebody had cross-threaded, tire store, a lug nut. And I needed to break it off because, you know, I needed to get the wheel off so I could replace it. And I brought out the high torque to break it. That's the only thing this wouldn't do. I mean, I've taken, yeah, Honda crank bolts off with it. With the weighted socket, of course, but yeah, I've even done Honda timing belts with this. And if they're interested, the stubbies are still well used, well abused, and definitely still something awesome. And the 3/8 compact, also good. I hope you all get some nice Christmas gifts if you celebrate Christmas or enjoy the rest of the holidays. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.